How to add Duolingo widget to home screen on Android. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your device and head over to the page on your home page where you want to add your Duolingo widget to. So in here, go ahead and long press this page to be able to summon the tools that you can use to customize your home page. Now in here, go ahead and click on widgets. Under the add widgets section, you'll be able to find the Duolingo widgets under the Duolingo section. So go ahead and click on the widget of your preference that you want to add to your home page. Now in here, place the widget on your home page, and you can do that again with the other Duolingo widget that you found under the widget section. So once you click on that widget, this will redirect you to your Duolingo account, and that's how you can simply add a Duolingo widget on Android.